poetry. A poem in the style of the poetic Anna. The mead of poetry. Here now with Kvasir, keenest of speakers, born from the breath of both God tribes, Aesir and Vanir. In our bond united, wisdom-filled warrior, words skilled and noble. From sacred spirits will spring forth the sage, greatest of gifts, giftless God born and mighty. None could ask question the Kvasir knew not. Rule rich in counsel, renowned through the realms. Two dwarves that dwelt in dark mountain halls, Fjalla, Regala, foul-hearted brothers, skilled in the smithcraft, sly in their thinking, greedy for glory and gold, bright wisdom. Come now, O Kvasir, king of all knowledge, share with the secrets of speech and of learning. So spoke the dwarves with deceitful tongues, luring the learned one to lowly caverns. The mead of poetry. Their trap they Kvasir with treacherous knives, drain out his life, blood in deep carved vessels, mixed it with honey, most precious of nectars, brewed in the mead of mighty wisdom. Old chains out and brought death to the dwarves, avenging his parents who perished by their hands. Seized in the mead of sacred knowledge, hid it in Nidbjörg, hall of the mountain. His daughter Gunlove guarded the treasure, fair-faced maiden in fortress of stone, watched over the mead through weary seasons, keeper of Kvasir's blood-bought wisdom. The mead of poetry. One-eyed Odin, oathbreaker, cunning, heard tell of the mead of mighty power. Schemed then to steal the speech-giving drink, when for the gods the word hard precious. Took he the shape of the serpent's splendor, slithered through stone to the secret chamber, changed then his form to a comely stranger, called himself Dover, bale worker crafty. One-eyed Odin, oathbreaker cunning, heard tell of the mead of mighty power. Schemed then to steal the speech-giving drink, win for the gods the word hard precious. Took he the shape of a serpent slender, slithered through stone to the secret chamber, changed then his form to a comely stranger, called himself Belverk, bale worker crafty. The mead of poetry. Three nights he lay with lovely Gunlove, wooed her with words and wine sweet kisses, promised her much if she grants him favor. 3 sips of the mead in return for his love. The maiden yielded to his yearning plea, brought forth the vessels of blessed. But Odin the oathbreaker emptied each horn, drained every drop of the divine potion, burst from the hall in the shape of an eagle, flew toward Asgard with wings spread wide. Saxon pursued him in similar form, reached through the air with rage-filled heart. But Odin outflew him to his own realm, reached the god home with his great treasure. This not the old father, the sacred mead, filled up the vessels of their bright gods. Shared with his kindred the Skald craft holy, made them all wise in word and learning. Some drops the earth were for weaker mortals, those who would catch them became great poets, singers of stories, scouts of renown, blessed with the gift of golden speech. vessels of fair-bright gods, shared with his kindred the Skald craft holy, made them all wise in word and learning. Some drops fell earthward for eager mortals. Those who would catch them became great poets, singers of stories, scouts of renown, blessed with the gift of golden speech. But the need of poetry. Thus came to gods and good men likewise the mead of poetry, most precious gift, born from the blood of blessed Kvasir, run by the wiles of one-eyed Odin. Let's down to remember the story of old, how wisdom was won through woe and cunning, how words of power came to the world, to Kvasir's sacrifice and the All-Father's theft.